Ha! I got a video of you on your knees. Hello.
Hi, shouldn't you be building your credenza?
What? I don't think I should build anything that sounds like credenza. Yeah, I said it. Let's go to Lindsay's building something for my office. And I was like, Lindsay, I can build it because I'm a man. I do like really manly stuff.
No.
And
no. Phil goes, okay.
Let me bullshit them. Let me bullshit them, Lindsay. God.
No. Phil says, okay, I'm gonna go take a bath while you build that.
It was a really good bath. My body hurts. Internet, it hurts. Oh, so for those of you wondering, what is this channel that I have? It's youtube.com/iPhone DeFranco, but really it's like what it says on the main page, shitty iPhone videos, because I figured I don't really like TwitVid, and it's much easier to post to YouTube on the iPhone.
And how many YouTube channels do you
I have
now?
18 YouTube channels, so be sure to subscribe to all of those, and then never check out any of those videos. That's what I would do, just to fuck with me. Bye.
Bam, bam, boop.